actually like 80 degrees outside. It's overcast now, but I wanted to do a little clothing haul and I thought I would do it outside. First thing I got, actually I already opened, but I found this Islamon yellow American flag t-shirt. I ordered it because I thought maybe I would stay on the West Coast for the 4th. And this I ordered on Grailed. Also just got this package, so I thought we would open it now too. It's super nice to be back home with my family. It's good to be outside of New York City, but I have a few things in here, so let's open it. The first thing I see, McQueen skull scarf. I saw this red one on Essence, and I thought it was super fun. I got the black and white one at the store in LA, and then wore it all around Europe. I thought this would be fun. Second thing I see is also a little accessory. I showed you guys in my last video the Bottega glasses. I've worn a ton. I wanted to see if they had any cool new pairs. I found this one on Essence, and so we'll see how they are. I love their packaging. These ones were brown and blue. I'm really not sure if these will be cool, so we'll see now. Gotten some Bottega eyewear that was hit or miss. These, I can't really tell, but I don't think they suit my face, unfortunately. I just like that they're brown and blue, and I'm going to Paris in a week or so, so I thought I would find some new sunglasses, but I don't know if I like these ones. Also, last week you guys saw I went to Paloma Wool because I was looking for this one shirt. I saw this on the Essence website. This was the sweater that they had layered on the runway with the blue shirt I was looking for, and they told me that this sweater they didn't have, and so I thought I could order this. The blue one is out of stock on the website. I have this Lawn Bond v-neck. I wore a ton and it looked like that. Let's try it on. I can't tell if it's too small. I have to look at it more in the mirror. This might be a miss as well. I found these shorts. These are Courage from the runway, and I thought they were so cool. They're like really long shorts. I thought I could wear them in France. They're black, kind of gray, and they have this belt on them. I think these are super cool. And then I also got this shirt from Dries Van Noten. I thought it was super cute. It's just purple and blue. This shirt I was wearing too, I just found today at a random thrift store. I'm gonna try the Courage shorts on. They're super cool. The belt I like maybe need to like adjust, but it looks like this. I'm making a green juice right now. I'm putting spinach and celery in here. I don't have a blender in New York City. I should get one, but I used to make smoothies all the time, and I would make this one with spinach and celery. I walk around so much less being here than I do in New York City. Such a change of pace. It looks so good, Jasper.
Got the flowers for one, and then Nana was gonna pick up a
I don't know if I'm in focus, but I just got back right now, and it feels so weird to be back. My apartment feels just like, I don't know, it's like weird to be back here, and then being out on the streets too. I was expecting it to be way hotter, but it was not that hot. I have a bunch of packages, so I thought we would open everything up. My flight was honestly really long. Didn't sleep much of it, like maybe the last like 2 hours I slept a bit, but I had a layover in Chicago because I booked my flight super last minute, and I haven't slept, and it's only like 10 a.m. now, so I'm not sure. I think I'll take a nap, but then realistically I'll go outside and do stuff. But let's open my packages because I'm kind of excited to see what these are. I was visiting my family, and honestly I didn't vlog that much just because I was enjoying just spending time with my family, but I'm happy to be back now. I'm going to Paris in just a couple of days. So I'm gonna be gone again, but it's good that I have a little bit of time here. I have like 3 days or 4 days, I don't actually know. So happy to be here for a bit, but yeah. Let's start with the packages. I don't know what any of these are, so we'll see. Oh my gosh, okay. The first package, Saint Laurent blazer. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's a gray velvet blazer. I want to try it on. Good with what I'm wearing obviously right now, but this is the blazer. It's kind of cute. I don't know, but it looks super cute. So I'm excited about this. I'm considering checking to see if this looks good to film in my bedroom. So I'm gonna try, let's see. Okay, one of these days we're gonna figure out how to do a proper package unboxing in here. I don't know yet when, but sometime. But yeah, this is so cute. I'm super excited to wear this. I might bring this to Paris. The next box we have, get a tool to start opening these up. But let's see if we can do it without. I have a tool. Okay, let's see. We actually need to try it out. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. The coolest little Prada shoes. Hopefully it's focused. I don't know if it is. They have the Velcro and leather and they're suede. And I just thought they're the coolest shoes. They're super flat, which I love. These on Grailed and I'm obsessed with them. They're so cool. My Margiela Gats that I wear like every single day for the past 2 years since I moved to New York City are actually falling apart a bit. They're the same colorway, so I think I'll honestly wear those so much. Next is a little bag. Ooh, I got this little green Burberry polo, which I'll bring to Paris as well. It looks so cute. Green Burberry polo. I shouldn't be bringing stuff to Paris because I should be buying stuff there, but you have to start somewhere and bring some stuff, so it will be okay. I love this tool. This is actually so cringe, but I bought this off TikTok Shop. Not to be a TikTok hater, but I just don't use TikTok that much. I saw this though, and it was like a huge thing of matcha. And I used to drink matcha from maybe 2017 until like 2019 almost every day, to the point where I just didn't like it. It was like a hyperfixation thing for me. The past couple months, it started kind of sounding good again. I've become kind of a matcha hater, so this is such a weird switch up for me to be back on the matcha. But I thought I should just start making it at home because I used to make it at home all the time when it wasn't like an Earth Cafe, like blended boba matcha that I was obsessed with. But I saw this tub and it's huge, all matcha. And so I ordered this. Okay, this is a bag. Let's see. What could it be? Ah, a couple of things. Okay, now this is exciting stuff. There's 4 things in here. I'm opening them all up first and I'll show you guys. I got 4 little goodies from Japan. The first thing I got is this baby light blue mini Prada v-neck. I liked kind of tiny shirts and this was super extra small and it's baby blue. So I thought this would be great and I'm gonna bring this to Paris, I think. You guys have seen my Alexander McQueen obsession. I just got the skull scarf. So I saw this white shirt. It just has the little skull on it. So I thought this also would be a good little mini shirt. And then also, I love a white button down and I found this Saint Laurent Eddie Slimane era white button down. And last but not least, in my opinion, the most exciting thing I found were these Dior Homme jeans. They're black with the darts on the back. Lastly, this was sitting at my door. My building put it there because it looks like important mail. But I know what this is. I ordered these notepads. They look like a Tom Marmont, like stationery. And I ordered them from this random site. I ordered them from this website that does a bunch of different stationery. I'll put the name up here because I don't remember what it was called. But I used to go to Chateau Marmont all the time. I would walk there every day. And so I thought this was cute and I always need stationery, and this is actually way bigger than I thought it was gonna be, which is kind of nice. So I got this too. Everything's super messy, but I went to my mailbox to get my mail as well, and I had some more boring packages and just like random stuff I ordered from my apartment, like a mirror for my shower so I can shave and other stuff. But then there was also this small package with one more clothing thing, and it is this little Saint Laurent polo. It's so cute. So I got this as well. But yeah, that's the haul. Figure stuff out. My apartment's a mess. We're going to a little showroom.
We're gonna go to a men's designer archive showroom.
I'm so excited. Sandra's little
and
Dior
I have
top.
my little Calvin Klein undies.
Yeah.
I'm sagger.
Oh gosh, I got match on my jeans.
Are you a sagger?
I always, yeah, always. Oh, wait.
Oh, I see it.
Get us out.
Hi. Yes. How are you? Okay, yes. That'd be fun. Like end of July, August. Isn't this fucking sick?
They're brand new.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Warm and cuddly.
Okay, Sandra and I went to go to that showroom, and it was super cool. I'll put the guy's Instagram here. His name's Dax, and now I'm walking to go get dinner. Back.
Oh, I thought it was
Yeah.